So here we are at the Indian cuisine tonight.
Oh, yes.
Pizza Hut. Push. Oh, pull. It says push on it. Yeah, one way or the other. Just sit down here, don't you? This is a Pizza Hut menu in India.
Hey, this, I don't know about this.
I'll just show you quickly because I don't know if you're allowed to film. If you want a bit longer, pause it. Soups and salads. Pasta. Oh, pasta.
Oh, yeah, right?
Stuffed crust. Pan crust. I haven't even seen it myself. This is the first time you're seeing it with the prices. Just remember, let's say 90 rupees is a pound. Right, we're going to make our decision and we'll see you in a bit. Pizza Hut Indian style. Pete's ordered a local drink. I can't remember what he called it, to be honest. Yeah, if you look in the book, it's the purple one. It's not as purple as the picture. Give it a go then, Pete. He said it's a refreshing drink. With a taste of
very strange taste.
mint.
Sorry, hey.
Let's give it a taste. 1 second. Oh, wow. Jesus. Do you know what? It's quite nice once the taste kicks. It's like I tell you what it's like. It's like sherbet. Maybe you probably don't know what it is. In England we used to have sherbet as a kid. Like dib-dab sherbet. It's just tastes just like that, yeah. Just like that. In a water form. We've ordered, I think it was called the potato crunch or potato finger starters. Usually get all this on there. But because I don't like spice, I asked for it separate. So Pete, knock yourself out of that one. That's the spicy one. I think these are just two kinds of mayonnaise and cheese. Just dip them in.
Oh, yeah.
Right, let's go. My pizza has arrived. I've asked for a medium, margarita, extra cheese, onions and mushrooms. Looks good. We haven't managed to finish it, we're still taking pizza home, but I ain't at mine because I want to try dessert. I've ordered a volcano cake with ice cream.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to say something a bit controversial now because I don't eat at Pizza Hut or Domino's very often. In my opinion, Domino's is better than Pizza Hut. Pizza, the restaurant and the overall feeling of is better in Pizza Hut. The dessert has landed. Should have some kind of chocolate. Oh yeah, I can feel it already. There you go. Chocolate lava cake and ice cream. We'll see you when the bill gets here. Let's see how much it all costs. This is the damage of the bill. I'll go down it slowly while I turn my phone on because I'm going to 1,956p, which is, let's go, 1,956 is £22. Very good. Well, it's expensive for India, but very good for Pizza Hut. Right, Pizza Hut, good, better than Domino's in the seating arrangement, the staff, everything, but the pizza is not as good. See you all soon.